Hello, Ma. What are you going to cook today?
Today I'm going to do fried rice, simple fried rice, Malaysian Indian style. So these are the things you need for that.
Okay.
And then வணக்கம் நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு சோறு பரட்டல் செய்ய போகிறேன். இது கொஞ்சம் ஜாமான்களை வச்சு நம்ம அருமையான ருசியான ஒரு சோறு பரட்டல் நம்ம செய்யலாம். These are the things. 1.5 cup of rice. Cooked and with a little bit salt,
Okay.
and then 3 onions, 2 eggs, 2 potatoes, and about 6 cloves of garlic, 3 small red chilies, and then a handful of sayur sawi, and about 15 pieces of prawns, and 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Sugar?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Sugar, and then half teaspoon of red chili powder, and then half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 Maggi ayam cube, and 1 tablespoon of plantain, 1 tablespoon of cuka hitam, vinegar, black vinegar, and then salt to taste, and then 2 tablespoon of oil.
Okay, Ma. So what are you going to do next? அடுத்து என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க?
நான் வந்து இப்போதைக்கு வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் க்ளீன் பண்ணி எல்லாத்தையும் சின்ன சின்னதாக வெட்டி நான் சமைக்கிறதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நான் வந்து ரெடி பண்ண போகிறேன். Now I am going to cut everything and then clean up everything and then get ready to cook the fried rice.
Okay.
Clean it.
So what, you're adding salt?
Salt to clean it.
Oh, you're cleaning the udang with salt. Sawi,
Sayur sawi. I already washed and cut it. So I cut into small pieces.
Wrong knife though.
Never mind. I find it quite
Malaysian. Any knife, everything Malaysia boleh.
yeah, but it's quite convenient, yeah.
What's that, ma? Chili,
3 small chilies. Red chili quite spicy.
Okay, finely chopped or what?
Yeah, finely chopped.
What force? Bionic woman. Showing you all is anger, right? Every time I come back late, you're showing your anger towards your frustration towards the onions,
No, garlic.
garlic.
This way it's easy to chop, to get chopped finely.
This is how you de-stress in the kitchen.
Yeah. In a way, yes.
Poor onions and garlic. So, ma, you're chopping the garlic also
இந்த
like
மாதிரி
finely
சின்ன
chopped.
சின்னதாக வெட்டினா நமக்கு அது சோறு பரட்டும் போது அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் நல்லா நட்டியாக இருக்கும், சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும்.
So basically you're telling
This way you chop the garlic. Once you fry it, then you can get the nutty, the garlic into your this one. Into your mouth, you feel nice. For garlic, I use the cleaver. For this, I use a different.
Why? Because it's heavy, is it?
No, for garlic, that one I find it quite comfortable using.
Okay, I think I'm gonna cry now. Because of onions. They say onion can cure COVID, correct, Amma?
Yeah, I'm not a doctor.
COVID-19.
I don't know. Now I'm peeling the potatoes. I'm going to cut small also. Because இந்த உருளைக்கிழங்கு வந்து நம்ம சின்னதாக வெட்டும்போது அது சோறு பெரட்டுறதுனால ஃப்ரைட் ரைஸ்னால சீக்கிரம் வந்து வெந்துடும்.
So basically cook faster lah.
Cook faster. For the fried rice, vegetables are your choice. நீங்கள் என்ன வேணாலும் போடலாம். You can use carrot, cabbage, and capsicum, whatever you like, you can add to the rice. Today I am only using savi, green vegetable savi, and potatoes.
What did you add in the egg, ma?
Salt.
Oh, how? What?
Little bit, a pinch.
Pinch, okay. Your son also can cook, you know. Don't play, huh? Yeah, of course.
I'm waiting.
My mother taught me. I have to write down the recipes in the book. Slow fire or what?
No, normal. I'm using just little bit of oil, about half a teaspoon of margarine.
Why is the margarine for?
It won't stick to the pot. Try it first. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of oil.
You say 1 tablespoon, but you're just whacking it only?
No. Actually, the roughly 1 tablespoon. Then
Semua agar, right?
and 1 teaspoon of margarine.
Does it look like 1 teaspoon? Does it look like 1 teaspoon?
Yes.
Okay. I'm an expert. 50 years experience.
For fried rice, you need a bit of oily, so that you will have a very nice texture. You நல்லா சிவக்க வறுத்துட்டு.
And what are you going to do? Pundu.
Garlic.
So you're going to put first
garlic to get the aroma.
First victim
yes.
inside the pan.
Not the pan, the pot.
It's all the same one.
No, not the same.
Okay. All these gorings.
Okay.
Alright, first victim. Who's your second victim?
Onions.
Bye onion.
Onions and chili together. Okay. For fried rice, the onion no need to be golden brown or what. Now I'm going to add the prawns. Okay.
You missed one there. You missed 1 prawn there.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to add turmeric and chili for color. To get the color.
Nasi goreng gudang.
Okay. Now you add your cube. Maggi chicken cube.
It says Norse, ma.
No, Maggi color. Okay, I'm going to add the eggs.
Half a teaspoon. Tablespoon or teaspoon?
Teaspoon. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar, black vinegar. Because this is a teaspoon, that's why I'm using it twice. Little bit of water.
Why? What's the water for?
Just to get moisture, because sometimes it burns.
Oh.
Now I'm going to
Final ingredient.
rice.
Right. That's more salt. You better watch out your salt. Looks good. What's that, no?
Pepper.
Oh.
Half teaspoon of pepper. Because I put this chili, little bit of chili powder. It's spicy. And then I put 3 small red chilies that are also spicy. And then this one also spicy. So don't put too much, just a little bit.
This
it
is
tastes
for
better. Yeah.
people who can handle the spicy food. Go for it.
Put too much in anything, it will be more spicy. I cannot take.
Pestle and mortar, guys.
Okay.
Old school technology.
Okay. I'm going to put 1 more teaspoon of
Said white close butter.
no, margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah.
No. Sorry, stay out of the kitchen.
For the glaze look, the final glaze look, I add margarine. Can you see that?
Yes. This is for the viewers, but I guess they can see it. By the way, everything is shot using iPhone 7 Plus. It's not like I have a DSLR or something like that.